Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to female on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information and now here we'll find this female icon. Just click on it and that's it will be changed. And that's how to change your gender to female on your account on Roblox, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.